Bueno, clase, buenos días, buenas tardes o buenas noches. Yo soy su profesor, Reyes Nodi, para Español Básico 1 aquí en Real State. So, hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm your Professor Reyes Nodi here at Real State. And bienvenidos, welcome todos a clase otra vez. So I want to talk in this video specifically about mi primera tarea, or my first assignment. And so I want to talk about the third part. You've done well with emailing the professor. You've done it from your radio.rosa.edu account. Muy bien, buen trabajo. Good job. And a lot of you have already submitted your student data sheet and by clicking on these links, this one or this one. And then some of you have already made your videos. But I want to make sure that we are doing the video correctly, that we are uploading the video type that I'm asking for. So the video presentation, it says, each student is required to record and upload a short Zoom video. So it has to be a Zoom video. What I'm getting is the following. So we're going to submit assignment and we're clicking record. So you're clicking record or upload media. And of course you do want to allow if you want to do the video in this way. But what's going on here, and I don't think it'll allow me while I'm actually in Zoom at this point, is you're getting a box here and you start speaking and reading what you wrote in the student data sheet. And really, it's great to get to know you guys, but I want you to do it in the correct form. Why is this form not the right form? It's because later on in the semester, you'll need to have a video from Zoom, which allows you to interact with your partner, and you upload that from your computer by clicking upload media and select video file. That will take you to your computer files, and it'll usually be in documents, and it may show up in like Zoom. And then you just look for the latest upload of Zoom, and it should be of you and your partner talking through an exercise. So there are 4 of these in the semester. So I want to make sure that we can do this correctly now so that it's not an issue later on. So once again, once you click on submit, like I showed you earlier, you do want to click record upload media, but this is after you've already done the Zoom recording. So you click that and then you click upload media. You don't want to record it here, because once again, you've already recorded it with your partner. And then you find that video file, select it from your computer. It may be in quick access, it may be in desktop, wherever you saved it or wherever it's saved to. Sometimes it's in documents, you have to scroll down, look for Zoom, and you should find it there. I always look for the latest upload. I look at the time. So hopefully that's helpful for you guys. If you have submitted it already, I do want to head off any confusion later on, because that gets really sticky with 70, 80 students who have the same issues. I want to head it off now before we even start Unit 1. So hopefully this video has been helpful, and best wishes going forward in the semester. If you need to talk with me, you can make a Zoom appointment, and hope to see you guys next week. Hasta luego.